KickStart Your Career is an event specifically for PhD students, undergraduate students and postdoctoral students, even early career people in the Northwest who are doing chemistry. To come together, we offer it to all the universities that have chemistry departments in the area, and anyone from any company that might be interested to come along and learn about where they might take their career next.
I came to this KickStart event to learn more about what I can do with my chemistry degree. How can I apply it, whether into going into a PhD or going into a career? What kind of industrial companies are out there that I can apply to? It's been really useful learning from people who actually work in those areas and who have gone through the same thought process that I've had to go through as well. Given a chance to talk to people who work in industry, different companies like Unilever, Ineos as well, and it's also given me a chance to know what area I want to go into once I've completed my degree, possibly into science communication.
What we don't want to do is have lots of people standing up talking about their companies, all different roles within them, why you should come and work for them. Because what happens at most of those career events is it's usually the same big companies that everyone knows about anyway. So what we try to do is get along interesting people who have had interesting career choices, not too old so students can still relate to them, but most importantly talk about the decisions they made along the way, why they made those decisions, what went right, what went wrong, and try to get them from organisations they might not have heard about that do chemistry.
I'm here from Acting Polymers, we're a plastics recycling and processing company in the Northwest. We're here to see some of the new talent in the industry and in the universities, and we really like to give the young people any advice or help we can give them in terms of placements, possible career opportunities, any career advice or anything like that. And judging by what we're seeing today, it's been a great success and we're going to continue to support it for a long time.
We've been supporting today because we feel it's really important that people who are studying chemistry and chemical engineering are really aware of what industry is in the area, because you might think it's all about big companies, and indeed in the past you could think of about 5 big companies, but now there's just hundreds of smaller companies and everybody changes the name, and the intricacies of working for a small company are quite big quite different to the big companies. So get across some of that, some of the routes of how to get actually in touch with them, because again these aren't the sorts of people who would advertise in the national newspapers, and really just get them enthused for this is a really great career path. You might not get it right first time, but at least there are opportunities to move if you don't get it right first time. So all as much advice as we can.